Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate WooCommerce and Twilio. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new order status is updated in WooCommerce, it will automatically send an SMS via Twilio. Now WooCommerce is an awesome e-commerce platform and Twilio is a smart platform to send SMS. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from WooCommerce to Twilio. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between WooCommerce and Twilio. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate WooCommerce and Twilio. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as WooCommerce to Twilio. WooCommerce to Twilio. And then click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as WooCommerce? Because we want to send the data from WooCommerce, that is why. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as order updated? Now order updated is basically a trigger event. There are a ton of trigger events like new coupon created, coupon updated, coupon deleted, coupon restored, and so on. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if the order is updated in WooCommerce, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, as you can see, we have a ton of triggers. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new order is updated in WooCommerce. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is, we are just trying to integrate WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to our WordPress. So as you can see, we have WooCommerce already installed in it. So I'm going to go to this part called as settings. Click on settings. Okay, so this is the settings page of WooCommerce. So I'm going to go to this part called as advanced. Click this. Okay, then I'm going to click on webhooks. Okay, so here we are going to add a webhook. So click on this button. Okay, so we have to give a name to this webhook. So I'm going to give it as Twilio integration. Twilio integrations. Okay, so the status has to be changed from disabled to active. Now the topic should be order updated. Okay, now in the delivery URL, you basically have to go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. So this is the delivery URL or the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so let us check whether we have entered the correct URL. Okay, let me check. Okay, yes, we have entered the correct URL. So now the secret will remain empty and the API version will remain WP REST API integration v3. So just click on save webhook. Okay, so it is showing the webhook has been created. So basically this means that we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. This means anytime our order is updated in WooCommerce, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So now how about we test it, our integration is working or not. So to do that, how about we create a dummy order update in WooCommerce. So let me go to WooCommerce. Okay, and these are the orders I have. So where are the orders? Okay, so where are my orders actually? Yes, there are my orders. Okay, and these are the orders I have. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this order by this particular person called as Fiona Roger, and I'm going to change some details in it. So I'm going to change some address in. Okay, so the address line now one is DLFG Market, and the address line 2 is Yellow City. Okay, and the city is Yellow House or Yellow Street. Okay, and the city is Vizag. Okay, and the postcode or the zip code I'm going to change it as 462044. The country I'm going to change it as Iran, and the state is this one, Kazakhstan. Okay, so this is the email address, and the phone number I'm keeping it as same because I want to send the data to Twilio. That is why. The payment method, let me keep it as cash on delivery. Okay, so let me also change the company she works in. Earlier she was working in Tesla, so now she has been removed to SpaceX. Okay, so all the details has been updated. Most of the important details has been updated. So just click on update. Okay, so as you can see, the update has been made. So now the billing is for the company called as SpaceX. Of course, the person remains same, that is Fiona Roger. And this is the address line 1, that is GLFG Market. And this is the address line 2, that is Yellow Street. And this is the city, Vizag. And the person is now, the billing address is now centered at Iran. And this is the postal code. So let's have a look. Since the order is updated, has Pabbly Connect captured this data or not? Yes, so it is showing the data has been captured. So let us scroll down and see the data. So as you can see, the first name and the last name is the same. The company has been changed to SpaceX. The address line 1 is DLFG Market. The address line 2 is Yellow Street. And this is the city, Vizag. The state is, of course, some place in Iran. And this is the postcode. And this is the country, that is Iran. Okay, so this is the phone number and this is the email. Excellent. So basically now we have to sync all this data to Twilio to send an SMS. Okay, so to sync all this data to Twilio, all you have to do is just scroll down and click on this button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Twilio? Because we want to send the SMS from Twilio. Okay, so now in the action event, there is only one action event, that is send SMS. So basically at this point, there is only one action event, that is send an SMS. Now, just like the triggers, if you want more action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send an SMS from Twilio. Okay, so just click on connect with Twilio. Okay, so now in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill. The account SID, the authorization token, and again the account SID. So basically we have to fill in this blank account SID 2 times. Okay, so let us have a visit to Twilio. So this is my Twilio account. So all I'm going to do is just click on settings. Okay, open this in a new tab. Okay, so this is my setting page. Okay, so it is asking me to enter my password. I'm just entering my password, login password. Okay. Okay, so when we scroll down in the live credentials, you will find the account SID. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, now again we have to paste the account SID right here. So I'm just pasting it this here. Okay, now we have to get the authorization token. So to get the authorization token, just remove this privacy. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the account SID and we have entered the authorization token, and also we have re-entered the account SID. So just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to construct an SMS from the data that we have received from WooCommerce via Pabbly Connect. But before we map in the details, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so in the body of the SMS, we will start mapping the details. So let me introduce you to this button called as the mapping button. So let me click this, and let me type something. Your billing details has been changed. Okay, and then we are going to map the details. So we are just going to map in the details. So this is the address line 1, that is DLFJ Market, and then this is the street, Yellow Street, and then we have the city as Vizag. Okay, let me scroll down, and this is the state. Okay, and then we have the pin code. So these are all the details that had been changed, and of course there is one more thing, that is the country, that is Iran. Okay, excellent. Your billing details has been changed. How about we enter something like this? How about we show some etiquettes? Hello, Mr. Miss. Okay, and enter the name, that is Fiona, I think it is Fiona. Your billing details has been changed to so and so. Excellent. Now in the sender number, that is basically my number, so I'm just going to type in my number. Okay, so I have typed in my number. Then I'm going to enter the recipient number. So the recipient number is basically Fiona's number, so I'm just clicking this and entering the number that we have received. So this is the phone number. So basically we have filled in the body of the SMS, we have entered the sender number, and we have entered the recipient number. So all we have to do is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look in this person's that is Fiona's mobile, whether she has got the SMS. Okay, so this is the SMS. Okay, so we have got the SMS. So the presence of this SMS shows that we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Twilio with help of Pabbly Connect. Now how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So what I'm going to do is I'm just minimizing my action window, and then I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Twilio. So now there is a perfect flow of data between WooCommerce and Twilio. Excellent. So let me go to WooCommerce once again, and we are going to make some changes in the orders once more. So I'm going to the order collection once more. So this time we are going to make changes with this guy called as Aaron Manuel. Okay, so this is the billing address. So the company has been changed from this weird looking name. So the company now he works in is Apple, and the address line is 192 I don't know, Justin Bieber Market. So this is the address line 1, and the address line 2 is Toronto. Okay, so this is the address line 2, and the city is Vancouver. Okay, sorry about my spelling. Okay, so here it is, and then this is the zip code 75001, and the country, how about we make it as Canada. Okay, so British Columbia. Okay, so this is the email address, and this is the phone number. Excellent. Okay, so let's click on update. Okay, so as you can see, the message has been sent. So let's have a look in the message. Okay, so this is showing it as, hello Mr. Mrs. Aaron. Miss Aaron, your billing details has been changed. 192 Justin Bieber Market, Toronto, Vancouver, British Columbia 75001. Okay, excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime an order is updated in WooCommerce, it will be reflected as a message from Twilio.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.